In today's video, we will replace the turn signal bulb for 2018 Hyundai Sonata. First, we open the driver's side door. Right where you see the steering, underneath the steering is a hood latch that needs to be pulled out. Once the latch is pulled, you will see the hood losing its grip. Notice on top of the logo there is a lever that needs to be pushed on left side completely, and while turning the lever on left, we need to lift up the hood. This is that lever that I was talking about. Just push and hold this lever towards the left side and then lift up the hood. This hood has shock absorbers, so there is no support bar, and these shock absorbers actually hold on to the hood. We got the hood opened. Right behind the tail light, notice there is that turn signal bulb. What we have to do is turn this anti-clockwise and then pull it outwards. There we were able to take out the plug along with the bulb. To take out the bulb, first we have to press the bulb downwards and then turn it anti-clockwise. This way the bulb loses its grip and then you can pull it out. There we were able to take out the bulb. Now suppose you got a new bulb and you want to install it back. Make sure that these two edges of the bulb itself are aligned along with the two edges of the plug. We put back the bulb where it came from. We press the bulb downwards and then turn it clockwise to install it firm and strong. And this way the bulb is not coming out. Now we will go ahead and put back the plug where it came from. Once you install the plug, you may have to turn it clockwise until you completely get it in. And once it's completely in, only then you turn the plug clockwise one more time to install it firm and strong. There it is, and it is not coming out. With that, we are done with the turn signal bulb replacement. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.